Who doesn't want a dream city to be a smart city? Huge buildings, mall, metros, etc. Well, I want it too. But that's not it. Sambhajinagar contains some special editions because of which developing it only economically won't make it a smart city. So what will? Here's the answer. Today, in this page, I'll be portraying my dream city, my Sambhajinagar. Sambhajinagar ranks 34th in the list of most livable and best performing cities. Why not first? Why not make it the best city where people from all over India will endeavor to live in? Here's how we can do it. My dream city will be a technologically modern city that will use electronic devices and sensors to collect specific data to improve public facilities such as transportation, communication, waste management, water management, crime detection, schools, libraries, hospitals, etc. The city will integrate information and communication technology and other physical devices connected to Internet of Things to optimize the efficiency of city's operations and services and connect to the citizens. The field of agriculture will have a huge part to play in this process, from improving the economy in this sector to developing the standard of people participating in this sector. A major focus will be given in this field. This city is and will be always my dream city. I have been in this city for almost 15 years now and have seen it grown over the years. But in all in this commotion, some things never aged, but still remain the oldest grammar of the city, the historical monuments. The 2200-year-old Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Dautabat Fort, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Panchaki, and 52 huge gates make it a historical city, and people from all over India and the world come visit Sambhajinagar to see these places. But little do native people know or care about them. As they are a huge part of Sambhajinagar, I want my the people of my dream city to know that it's their fundamental duty to value and preserve the city's rich heritage and culture, and they should strive to nurture and flourish it. Super Sambhajinagar, the name itself, remind me of the great Maratha warrior who fought 127 battles and never lost a single one, who was able to master 13 languages at the age of 13. Also an excellent administrator, strategist, and governor. Sure, it's an honor that my city is bestowed with his name. But what I believe is that a city is not known by its standard or name, but by its people. Even if a city is filled with malls and metros, it does not make a city smart if the people don't have the right perspective and correct attitude. I want my city to be built less with concrete, bricks, and cement and more with trust, honesty, and understanding. The people of my city, the citizen of my city, will be socially aware of their surroundings and society. The, they will have the basic knowledge of their fundamental duties and rights and will contribute in maintaining peace and stability in the society by forgetting the past and building the future with values like honesty, justice, equality, respect, humanity, etc. Ethics and secularism will also play a major part in developing my city. Converting Sambhajinagar into a smart city is and will be my dream, and I'll try my best to make it happen.